Hi, I'm Ruth and I'm a research engineer. I work in acoustics in particular in the aeroacoustic research team in the early stage development of the products at Dyson. We would probably start working on a project as the DC39 quite early on, so perhaps before the concept's even there, or if we've got previous cylinders, vacuums out there that we think we can improve, then we'll start working on it then. So for the DC39, for example, one thing that we might want to have improved on from previous versions would be how much dust it picks up from the carpet, or how much electricity it uses when it does that. So we would look into all the different components of the vacuum that would lead to those factors and work on those. Day to day, my role is split into two different tasks really. One of them is working with the engineers quite closely, but the second one, which is what I spend most of my time on, is the research. So that would involve trying to understand what is happening in our products, such as the DC39, and what is happening maybe as flow travels down these pipes or through these cyclones, or what is happening when noise is transmitted from certain parts. And then we would do some research into how we could improve those problems or try and find new solutions. So that might involve spending a bit of time on my own at my desk reading some exciting articles on the internet or from universities. And then I might even travel around the country to visit those universities and speak to them about their work, which is really exciting, getting to meet lots of new people and see lots of new places as well. And so once we've got a good idea of what new work is out there that could improve our products, we then start to investigate those in a bit more detail. So we try and look into the science behind it, the physics, what's going on, and see if maths can help us to put some models together to predict how something might perform if we change the size of this pipe, for example. The thing I love most about my job is the challenges that I face and the amount that I learn every day. I feel like it just keeps growing. There's more and more to find out about, and I really love that. I also love the diversity of my job, the different things I do on each day and the different people I interact with. So I'm learning lots through that as well. At school, my main passions were maths and art. And I didn't know where to go with that in the future, because part of me really liked the problem-solving, technical side of the maths and all the things you get to overcome, but then I loved being able to really explore my creative side with my art. So I studied maths, physics and art, and then at university I went on to do maths after much deliberation, whether to do architecture, which would have combined the two, or to do engineering, which again would have combined the two. But I was a bit nervous I'd miss the maths if I did those, so I opted to do maths at university, and I absolutely loved that. I've not looked back since, and I loved it so much that I even went on to do an extra 4 years and did a PhD, so I'm now a doctor in maths. But now I've got that qualification and a really good understanding of maths and all the different methods you can use. I wanted to take that to real life problems, which is why I've now come to engineering. So we're trying to apply my mathematical background and the methods I've learned to real life problems here at Dyson.